this real quick. Me and Girl Spice just added to Groovin in the Park.
Groovin in the Park, an evening of reggae and rhythm and blues, featuring live in concert Tarrus Riley, Baby Cham, Wayne E. Wonder, Frisco Kid, Minister Marion Hall, formerly Lady Saw, Uncle Charlie, and a Sound Clash exhibition featuring Bass Odyssey, Dynamq, YardBeat, and David Rodigan. Groovin in the Park, Sunday, June 25th at Roy Wilkins Park, Queens, New York. Get your regular and VIP tickets now at Eventbrite, or for more info, check groovininthepark.com.
The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, a blessing.
Check out the blessing, Groovin in the Park, June 25. That's where everything comes alive. Tarrus Riley and the Black Style Band, alongside some of your favorite legendary, fantastic, amazing reggae artists and dancehall artists. You can't miss this New York tri-state area. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're grooving in the park on June 25. Everything comes alive. Singing. Love and respect.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on a higher heights.
Queens, New York, get ready as Groovin in the Park presents Uncle Charlie Wilson. Former lead singer of the Gap Band, Uncle Charlie. At Roy Wilkins Park, Queens, New York, Sunday, June 25th. 13-time Grammy-nominated Uncle Charlie. Get your regular VIP and VVIP tickets now at Eventbrite.com, or for more info, visit the website at groovininthepark.com. Groovin in the Park presents the Continental Sound Clash exhibition. 4 continents, 4 sounds, representing the Americas Bass Odyssey.
Oh, I lift up my hands to a dancing.
From the African motherland, Dynamq. Representing Asia and the Far East, YardBeat sound. And the legendary David Rodigan from Europe. Groovin in the Park, Sunday, June 25th at Roy Wilkins Park, Queens, New York. Get your regular and VIP tickets now at Eventbrite, or for more info, check groovininthepark.com. Queens, New York, Groovin in the Park presents the timeless 90s, featuring Baby Cham, Frisco Kid, and Wayne E. Wonder. At Roy Wilkins Park, Queens, New York, Sunday, June 25th. Get your regular and VIP tickets now at Eventbrite, or for more info, visit the website at groovininthepark.com.
This is Wayne Warren, it's all about Groovin in the Park. Come catch me live June 25th, Roy Wilkins Park. So go get your tickets now at groovininthepark.com. It's gonna be a bombshell. Wayne Warren, the Baby Cham, Frisco Kid. Timeless 90s. See? Peace.
Rapid burst, you don't know. Frisco Kid, I make you know, say put that one up on the calendar. Groovin in the Park, the 25th of June, I'll be coming to New York. So what? Big up me girl on the side, cause of them truth the best. You know me love this up, me what them girl ya possess. Alright, I know things are manifest. Me wife out for less. Fi tell you the truth, me no press. Cause guess what? Me want a juke off a jack killing, you know me a fi draw for my robots, for my robot.
I'm doing better, way better since you left.
My name is Minister Marion, formerly known as Lady Saw, and I'll be at the Groove in the Park big concert on June the 25th. You gotta be there at Roy Wilkins Park.
Enemy I try, I watch me like clock, but I'm too busy, I circle them up. Well, enough of them, I look for see me flop and mash up. If me drop down in this, me get back up and stand up.
Stop where I don't make a talk about this real quick. Me and Girl Spice just added to Groovin in the Park. And you know, say this is not a small addition. This is a big addition. And you know, say 1 + 1 = 2. You can't do much. So you know, say you have to come out from early. That means the queen have to perform from early. So get the ticket now. You know, say 25th, right around the corner. But I ask you, June 25th. Me and Girl Spice will definitely be at Groovin in the Park, right at Roy Wilkins Park at Queens, New York. So get ready. The queen are going to perform early. So make sure you come out from early. You know what time it is. But I ask you.
Them can't address me, cause me for me new life success caress me. No matter what, them can't depress me.